Best wheelchairs. Lightweight wheelchairs are essential mobility solutions for seniors, individuals recovering from injuries, and those with physical disabilities. Their portability, ease of use, and ergonomic design make them indispensable for maintaining independence and comfort. List 1. The Drive Medical Blue Streak Lightweight Wheelchair is a versatile and portable option designed for adults and seniors. Weighing 41 pounds, it offers a durable steel frame and features such as swing-away footrests, flip-back arms, and push-to-lock tires for added safety. Its 18-inch seat and padded desk arms make it suitable for extended use and easy positioning at tables or desks. The wheelchair folds to a compact 12.5-inch width for hassle-free transport and storage. In testing, the Blue Streak delivered a smooth ride on flat surfaces and was easy to maneuver indoors. However, its weight of 41 pounds may be cumbersome for frequent travel. The flip-back arms are excellent for transfers, but the chair's bulkier design limits portability compared to lighter models. It is ideal for users seeking a durable wheelchair for home or occasional outings. List 2. The Medline Lightweight Foldable Transport Wheelchair stands out with its sturdy aluminum frame and enhanced safety features, including handbrakes and rear wheel manual locks. Weighing just 26 pounds, it is highly portable and folds easily for storage. The spacious 19-inch seat and full-length armrests provide excellent comfort, while the 12-inch rear wheels ensure smooth maneuverability both indoors and outdoors. During testing, the Medline wheelchair impressed with its ease of use and compact design. The handbrakes are particularly useful for caregivers, enhancing control during transfers and hilly terrain. However, the 19-inch seat width may feel too large for smaller users, and the chair lacks adjustable armrest height. It is best suited for users who prioritize safety and comfort during travel. List number. The Drive Medical TR37E SV is a budget-friendly option designed for reliable transport. Its durable steel frame and padded armrests provide stability and comfort, while swing-away footrests add flexibility for transfers. Weighing 26 pounds, it is lightweight and folds flat for convenient storage. The 17-inch padded nylon seat is easy to clean, making it a practical choice for everyday use. This wheelchair performed well in basic mobility tasks, offering smooth rides on flat surfaces. However, its smaller seat width may not suit larger individuals, and the fixed-arm design limits adjustability. While it lacks premium features, its affordability and dependable build make it ideal for occasional use or as a secondary wheelchair. List number. The Drive Medical EXP19 LTRD combines ultra-lightweight design and advanced features for convenient travel. Weighing just 19 pounds, it is the lightest model in this comparison. Its aluminum frame supports up to 300 pounds, and the 12-inch rear wheels with curb assist enhance maneuverability on uneven terrain. Padded armrests and fold-down footrests add comfort, while locking handbrakes improve safety. In testing, the EXP19 LTRD excelled in portability and outdoor performance. Its curb assist feature is particularly useful for navigating bumps and ramps. However, the 19-inch seat width may feel too wide for smaller users, and the lightweight frame may not provide the same durability as heavier models. This wheelchair is perfect for frequent travelers seeking a dependable and lightweight option. List 5. The Carmen LT980 is a premium wheelchair designed for users who demand top-tier performance and comfort. Weighing just 24 pounds, it features a folding backrest and seat for easy travel. The 18-inch seat width, fixed armrests, and adjustable footplates ensure ergonomic support, while the polyurethane flat-free tires enhance durability. Handbrakes at the wheels allow users to engage them conveniently. During testing, the LT980 delivered exceptional performance in terms of comfort and maneuverability. Its lightweight design makes it ideal for travel, and the adjustable footplates accommodate various leg lengths. However, the fixed armrests may limit adaptability for certain users. and its higher price may deter budget-conscious buyers. This wheelchair is best suited for users seeking premium features and long-term reliability.